Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and set up on my new digital camera. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's actually go ahead and take a look at it. Let's see what we got. Alright, so here's the actual camera itself. Look at that display, very nice. You also get a Type-C charger to charge it. You get like the wrist strap to put on there. A nice carrying case for it, very nice. As well as a user manual. So let's go ahead and actually turn it on and test it out. Look at that, fires right up. Man, this is cool. So like I said, it is a 64 megapixel camera. And this is what it looks like when you record directly off the camera. As you can see, the quality is really good. It does record in 4K. It could be used for vlogging, for your YouTube channel. It could be used for, if you're constantly going out of town, you want to take some good pictures or videos, and you don't want to take up so much storage on your phone, you can definitely use this. Alright, and these are actual photos from the camera. As you can see, it gives you quite a bit of detail whether you're shooting up close or grabbing any kind of landscape shot. I took quite a bit of photos, and honestly, I'm pretty impressed with how crisp the actual photos turn out. It does already come with a 64 gigabyte memory card right out of the box, so that'll store thousands of photos and several hours of video before you even think about actually needing to buy another one. Now, when it comes to actually using the camera, it is super beginner friendly. You don't have to mess with any kind of complicated settings or manuals. It already has autofocus and anti-shake built in, so even if you're moving quite a bit or shooting handheld, your photos still come out pretty good. If you need to zoom in, it does have an 18x digital zoom, which gives you plenty of reach for faraway objects. There is a built-in flash that kicks in to help brighten up your photos, which is super helpful if you're not working with perfect lighting. So if you guys are looking for a new affordable digital camera, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below so y'all can get yours.